guys, good morning. I hope you are shopping very hard over the Black Friday, and now it's Cyber Monday. So now you're ready to shop online. So you guys, I'm bringing to you, as I promised in my last video, I'm bringing to you a beauty gift guide. I'm gonna do it a little bit differently. I'm gonna actually include only items that are $50 and under. So those items could be a great stocking stuffers, could be a great little gifts for your coworkers, your friends, and nothing is gonna break your budget, I promise. So let's get started. Okay, so everybody loves a little bit of luxury, right? So why not treat your loved ones or maybe yourself to Chanel hand cream. This is the famous expensive. It costs $50, you guys. This is the famous Chanel hand cream. I actually received this one a year ago for Christmas. I'm almost done. There's still a little bit left, you guys. I'm just gonna show you. You squeeze it and a little bit just comes out just like so, as you can see, and it's incredibly luxurious. Very velvety, very soft, and it smells incredible, you guys. This is just something that it's perfect to get as a gift. Yes, it is quite expensive. It's $50, but it is Chanel, and like I said, it's a perfect gift for anybody in your life. So this is definitely #1 on my list. For someone who is who likes to take care of the hair, Nordstrom has amazing set from the Moroccan oil line, and I love Moroccan oil, you guys. I do have a little guy, but Nordstrom has the set that comes also with the body oil. This is, if you haven't tried this before, or if you never heard about the Moroccan oil, it's very nourishing for your hair. It's kind of like, I would say, like a dry oil. You can put it on dry hair, you can put it on the damped hair. Gives you so much shine. I usually put mine on the dry hair because I just love, especially when the hair gets frizzy, you just need to kind of, you know, kind of finish them nicely. This will do a great job. So if you know someone who has who likes to take care of their hair, this is a perfect gift. Plus you're getting also a body oil as well, which is kind of like a dry body oil, and you're gonna get a bigger, this is only 50 ml bottle. I believe in the set there's a 100 ml bottle, so it's going to be much bigger, and the price for this set is also $50. For makeup lovers, you guys, beauty blender set, $40. You're getting 2 beauty blenders, you get a carrying case, and you're getting those 2 little soaps. How can you go wrong? Everybody who loves makeup is going to appreciate a beauty blender set. Also for makeup lovers, Stila put together one of their, probably one of their best sellers of the, these are the eyeshadows. They call them shimmer and glow eyeshadows. They have a set of 3. I only own 2 of them. You guys, these are amazing. I actually have it on my eye in the color Kitten. You get in Kitten Cloud, and I think there's 1 more colors. These are amazing. The price for this set is $25. You cannot go wrong with these. These are my favorite liquid kind of eyeshadows. They are amazing, and they stay all day in your eyes. Again, if you can, you know, what I also love about that set is that you can take those 3 items apart, and you can actually gift it separately, and I'm gonna have some more ideas that you can actually split and do those little gifts among your girlfriends, and you can just treat one person, you know, to one color. I think it's a brilliant idea. Speaking of gifts that you can split or just use it as a stocking stuffers, you can definitely do with the set from the Stila. You can also do with the cuddly hand creams. This is a set of 3. It costs $80. I get mine at the Sephora, you guys, but again, you can get it at Nordstrom at the same time. Those are amazing. They are this year, cuddly every year, they come up with the, you know, with their different sets. This year everything is packed separately. Look at this, you guys. You can just take this and put one in the, you know, in the stockings, or you can just, like I said, you can pair it and treat your girlfriends to you know, a smaller gift. You can just kind of compose a gift yourself. Those are amazing. The size of them is also very good for the handbag. I have a couple of them from last year already. Those are perfect to keep in your handbag. And you guys know, if you have been watching my channel, Cuddly is one of my favorite hand creams. The full size of their hand creams is $15, which is not bad at all. And I love the fact that it's not gonna leave your hands greasy. And those are just like perfect little gift ideas. I have a couple of things from Laura Mercier. Laura Mercier every year creates some of my favorite gifts, and I've got one of them this year. I missed on it last year, you guys. This is the body set with her favorite and her famous body creams. Those are like a little smaller sizes, but you get a set of 4. Again, you can just gift this as a one gift, or you can just, again, split and treat your girlfriends or teachers or co-workers. I mean, anything that you do with this, it will be perfect. So you're getting this 4 cute jars, you guys. I think this is just so nice, and they smell amazing. Amazing. The price for this set, you guys, is $45. More from Laura Mercier, you guys. She has a set of 4. Those little, I use them as a hand cream. You can use it for a body. You can use it for, you know, to keep in your handbag as your little hand cream. Again, those are so luxurious, you guys. I got a bunch of them last year, so I still have leftovers. But again, you can split this and actually use it as a separate gift or stocking stuffer, or just gift it someone else, someone just a set of 4. Every single woman was just gonna appreciate and love it. And this collection costs $26. Laura Mercier also have a beautiful lip collection gift for $35. You're getting her lipstick, your lip gloss, and full-size lip pencils. Those are creamy. Those are amazing, you guys. I used them all in the past, and I highly recommend. Fresh is like one of my favorite lip balms. This is the British company. They came up every year with different sets. This one is, I believe, $37. They are so creamy, you guys. They have different scents, different flavors. So luxurious. Again, you can break up the gifts and just put it in separate little gifts, or you can just give it at once. It's completely up to you, but I feel like it's just so luxurious and so nice. Also, Clinique came up with the beautiful set, which is not gonna break your bank. It's $25. You're getting some lips, some eyeliner, mascara, eyeshadows. It's just like a little variety of mini Clinique cosmetics. So if someone in your life loves Clinique, and Clinique especially, you know, I think they make a beautiful stuff for people who have allergies. I think Clinique is perfect, so you can definitely treat someone to that special gift. I also like the Burberry set, you guys. Every year Burberry comes with a beautiful set. This particular one costs $35. You're getting a beautiful Burberry pouch. You're getting like a roller kind of spray sample of their perfumes, and then a full-size base as well as the lipstick. I feel like it's so luxurious, and again, it's only $35. Such a perfect gift. Laura Mercier also have a beautiful makeup gift. It's $45. You're getting a fan brush. You're getting a beautiful highlighter. This is how it looks like, you guys. This is such a beautiful highlighter, especially for someone older who doesn't like a blinding you know, highlight. This is so good. You're also getting her setting powder, which she's very famous for, as well as her under makeup primer. It's also one of her most popular cosmetics, and this set cost $45. Peter Thomas Roth every year put up some kind of a mask sample. There are smaller masks and bigger masks. I usually go for the one that costs $25. I give them before as a gift and everybody loved it. And I also kept some for myself as well throughout the years. I'm just gonna show you guys. I have a couple still on my hand. So this is the size of the mask that you're getting, but this is like entire set, you guys, so you can actually sample. I'm gonna show you a few that I have. You can sample this way his masks, and if there's anything that you really love, you can end up buying a full size ultimately. But I think this is such a perfect gift idea. $25. Again, you can split, use it as a stocking stuffer, or you can just give someone entire set. Something for the perfume lovers, Jo Malone came up with the two beautiful sets this year. My favorite one is probably the Christmas cracker set. I just think it's just so festive, and the way it's all packaged is just beautiful. It costs $48, so it's a little pricey, but it's a Jo Malone. But this way you can sample some of her favorite items, which I think it's beautiful. So this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little roundup of Christmas gifts for under $50. All of them, you guys, I used in the past, or I'm still using. I absolutely love them, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will leave all the links in the description box. And yeah, happy shopping, you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.